Hey guys, in this video I will show you how to buy planes in War Thunder Mobile. Alright, so let's begin with the video. When you first open up War Thunder, you will notice that you have your default planes over here. You can browse between all of the planes for different countries, and in order to buy new planes, what you have to do is head into the Research tab, and you are going to be able to see all of the researchable vehicles for the country that you selected. So select the specific country that you would like to research vehicles for. They are divided by ranks, so you have the first rank, second rank, third rank, and so on. You also have premium vehicles that you need to buy a premium account to have access to. And in order to acquire these vehicles, you need to use your research points. So as you can see, to acquire this one, we need 210 research points. In order to purchase it, we need to complete this research. So just keep playing with the vehicles that you start out with, and you will amass these research points that you can use to purchase these vehicles. If you want to test them out before you buy, as long as they aren't red, like this one, and you can click on them, you will be able to select test flight from the list of options, Lade, and you will be loaded into a test match where you can just fly around with them and see how they feel. Like I said, all you have to do is use your research points that you can acquire by playing the game with starting planes, and you will eventually be able to buy any plane that you wish from a country. So that's basically how you can buy planes in War Thunder Mobile. So that's all for this video. Consider subscribing if you find it helpful, and I'll catch you in the next one. Thanks.